Hello everyone, my name is Esteban Osorio Moreno. This is English 3, step number 2, answering a random question. What is your favorite food? Well, I would say that my favorite food is Chinese food. I love Chinese rice because it contains roots, shrimp, jam, beef, and chicken meat. I think it's amazing. Um, when I have the chance to go out with some friends and with my family on weekends, we do not hesitate about where we are going to eat at that moment. And the best part of hanging out is having an ice cream after a long day. Another of my favorite dish is pasta with lumpias. I think it's a good match when you feel hungry after work or after studying so hard as I used to be. Um, One of the most famous places here in Tunja is Chinese food for you. When I was at school, I used to visit that place um, because they have a huge variety in the menu, different methods for cooking the rice and the pasta. The best thing about arriving there was the experience they wanted you to have, and never forget how was the treatment to the customers, the detailed attention to everything, the quick response to any inconvenience that may have uh, that may be present in the restaurant, and overall the diversity of ways for paying and delivery of your food. It is simply amazing. Finally, another Chinese food that I really love is satute vegetable, which you can add as many sauces as you want in order to enhance the flavor of vegetables and the other veggie dishes offered at that kind of restaurant. If you want to invite me someday to a restaurant, please take me to a Chinese food restaurant. Thank you.